Good morning, YouTube. It is January 3rd, 2022. Happy New Year. It's been a while since I've done a video. I've had some situations going on, as I'm sure all of you have. So we're on a repeat customer here. This guy has several rental houses. We're in Suwanee today. Carpets are actually in really good shape. As you can see, they've been vacuumed before we got here. So we got the family room here, the dining room, the living room, which the only spots I saw in the whole house was this kind of soiled area here over by the back door. And then there are 3 bedrooms upstairs. And the stairs, of course. And then the hallway. So this is a rubber type carpet. It's not the tight loop, it's kind of the frisee, I guess. There's a couple closets. So this, like I said, this is going to be a quick, easy job. Be nice to help all our jobs were this easy and this fast and in this good a shape. But as I'm sure you're all aware, if you've done any kind of research or if you're looking into the carpet cleaning business, you'll find that some houses are actually just in awful shape. So this is kind of one of those jobs where it'd be nice if they were all in this kind of shape. So we'll knock this out, and we'll see you on the other side. As you can see, it's just a little after 10. Just wrapped up this 8-area job. There's nothing to see really. I just thought I would shoot a quick. I did notice on the entry here, it wasn't so much dirty as it was the lighting. So once I turned the breakfast light on, carpet looked fine there. So this looks like it was an 8-area job. $320 was the cost. 8 areas at $40 per area. As you may be able to tell, the vacuum lines are different, which I do intentionally. When we first walked through, there was those short strokes, as I call them, which is what most traditional carpet cleaners do, as well as housekeepers with the vacuums. But I like to, rather than break, I just think it looks more uniform when you do the whole back and forth versus a third and third. But that's just me. So that's how I do it. Plus it's also kind of like a little trademark, so customers know that we've been there. Or if we have, lots of different carpet cleaners out there, similar names, etc. If we get accused of doing something, when we get there, we can look or say, hey, send us a picture. Let us see what the carpets look like. And if it does have those short strokes, we know we didn't do it, because we train all our guys to do the long strokes, if you will. So again, this is JR. Again, Happy New Year. This is our first video of the new year. As I said before, it'd be nice if all of our jobs this year are this quick and easy and profitable. All of them are not. This is not a typical job. Although it's more typical than not. We do have what I would say pretty good luck with most of our jobs. Probably 80% are relatively easy, maybe 90%, 10%, are, make sure that fan was on up there. Help expedite the drying. So, 10-20% of our jobs are, kind of nasty and a lot more work than this one is. But, you have to take the bad with the good. Makes the good that much better. As I've said before, if you are interested in the carpet cleaning business, we, again, do not use a truck mount. Been in business since 2004, have not used a truck mount since 2004. Yes, there's a time and a place for truck mounts. We don't clean that method. We prefer the quick, easy, low moisture, higher profitability, higher repeat business, etc., etc. So if this is something we can help you out with, let us know. It is a low investment to get into. However, it's not like the franchises that are out there. If you're looking into franchising, I highly recommend you check out the fine print with residuals, what you get for your money. Do they do any advertising for you, which is the whole sole purpose kind of franchising, is that they provide all the marketing so you can just do the work, etc., etc. I know there are some carpet cleanings out there, franchises that they sell you a franchise for like $40,000, and they give you zero advertising. And they also take a portion of your profits now. They didn't used to do that, but now they do. You got to buy the cleaner from them. It's their proprietary cleaner, but you have to use it. They can charge you whatever they want to for their cleaner, but then they also take a portion of your profits from using his cleaner. But again, you got to look at what you're getting for that money. If it's worth it, then that's great. If not, carpet cleaning is not difficult. This is not a difficult job to do. You just have to have the right equipment, have the right cleaner. The most important thing is getting the phone to ring. That can be the most challenging thing. And as I said before, some carpet cleaning franchises, they give you zero marketing. There's no online presence, which is where everything is today. So just keep those things in mind. We are probably the lowest point of entry as far as starting your own carpet cleaning floor care business, and we're happy to be that way. It's designed purposely to put the average person in business. Now, we do not have exclusive territories like some franchises claim to have. If your neighbor happens to contact us, want to get in the carpet cleaning business, then we'll put them in the business, because that's what we're here for. So again, this is JR. Our direct number is 404-500-9853. On the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.